Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find hidden tagged posts on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on your profile button at the bottom right. Then locate and click on menu at the top right. Once you selected menu, you want to scroll down until you get to the tagged section. So just scroll down where you see how others can interact with you, and then click on tags and mentions. Once you selected tags and mentions, you need to go ahead and look for review tags. Click on that. Now, if you have any hidden tags here, you should see either untagged or on your pending tags. So if you have any pending tags, you can manually review the tags before it is fixable. And if you have any tag, then you should see all your hidden tagged posts here. You see that? So that's exactly how to find hidden tagged posts on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.